Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video about MIVI ROAM to Bluetooth speaker unboxing and my first impression. Now let's get started into this video, guys. Guys, this is a MIVI ROAM to Bluetooth speaker packaging. So on the front, so this is a product is actually looks like it comes with 5 watts HD sound, 24 hours playtime, and Bluetooth 5.0 as the connectivity option. Then on the rear side, here it shows that it having a premium built metallic, and you can able to pair 2 ROAM speakers for doubling the sounds, and it isn't portable. You will get a 2000 mAh of battery in this Bluetooth speaker, and then it has a 24 hours of playtime as it shows, and it has a water and dust proof, and what is the rating is still unknown. And then this is a proudly made in Indian brand. So now let's unbox this package. So after opening, so this is a card we are having, and this is the MIVI branding shows, and inside I think this is the user manual. And so firstly, this is the MIVI card, and this is the important thing you need to note that so this is a 1-year warranty registration. So once you get the product, so you need to take a photo of the invoice receipt in case if you are buying this product in from whether any source, whether the official MIVI website or in Amazon or Flipkart, just take out the invoice and just take that photo and send as WhatsApp message to this number. This is very important, guys, to register your product for warranty. And after that, so is the welcome messaging from the MIVI. Then this is the MIVI ROAM to Bluetooth speaker user manual. All the things in case if you are need means you can able to access here. Now we are going to explore about more in this video. So after that, so this is I think the product. Well, now this is a MIVI Bluetooth speaker as already mentioned in this box. So on the front side, so this is a full of metallic part, and apart from that all other things are made of a plastic material. And rear side also will get a MIVI branding logo, and this is how the looks. Also the rope is fixed with this MIVI Bluetooth speaker. This can be helpful in case you need to hang over in somewhere else. Now on the physical overview, on the top, so here is the plus button, you can able to increase the volume, and this is the minus button, you can decrease the volume, and this is the next song switch, and this is the power on off button, and also having a LED here. Left side, so this is the all the ports can be given here. So here as comes with the micro USB port. Using this you can charge this MIVI ROAM to Bluetooth speaker, and this is the aux connectivity. And similarly, one thing I need to tell you that in the box you will get a 3.5 mm aux to aux cable. So using this you can able to kind of pair this speaker with your smartphone. There is a one more cable, so this is the charging cable, so micro USB cable. So using this you can able to charge your device. Also you can able to use the other adapter also to charge this MIVI ROAM to Bluetooth speaker. At the bottom here is some of the bush like that is given for stable standing and to avoid the product damages. So overall this is the product overview. Now let's see how it works. Well guys, now just we can turn on this MIVI Bluetooth speaker. So just long press this power button. Now the device will be turned on,
Bluetooth mode,
and it will automatically goes to the Bluetooth mode. I have already paired this, so just click on the Bluetooth or turn on the Bluetooth, and it will be paired automatically. In case if you are a new user, means go to the Bluetooth setting and you will get the MIVI ROAM 2. So this is the Bluetooth pairing name. And after that, now I am going to play some of the copyright free music just to hear how you feel about this audio quality. So this is the sound quality you will get. So just hear fully, and after that I am going to make a test on with this auxiliary cable. Well, now let's check with the Bluetooth connection and with this auxiliary cable audio quality differences in soon. Now let's hear the music quality in the Bluetooth connection. The Bluetooth connectivity is version 5.0. Now we are going to use the auxiliary cable. Well, we'll check how the audio quality will. Once I insert the auxiliary cable, the device will automatically goes to the aux mode. And similarly, once you connect this aux cable, means the Bluetooth connection will be automatically disabled. Now I connected the aux cable connection. So now just play the same audio. So this is the audio you can hear while connecting to the aux cable. actually the audio quality will be differs from the Bluetooth connection and then aux cable. So while connecting through a Bluetooth connection means now the audio quality will be more richer, and you will get the vibration in the device also, and the bass quality is also more energetic and sharp. But while connecting through the aux cable means, so that times the sound quality slightly gets lower than the sound quality while we are hearing in the Bluetooth connection. So this is the first impression I have seen. Well, soon I will post the review video of this MIVI ROAM 2 speaker. In the review video I tested with the multiple devices and check how the audio quality will be works on the each devices, and overall how it will be the usage, and I'll show you the different ways of application you can use this Bluetooth speaker. So that's all about this video guys. Now how do you guys like this MIVI ROAM 2 Bluetooth speaker? Let me know in the comments below, and in this video I'll try to show you the first impression of its audio quality and its unboxing. And in case if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos means hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video guys.